Watch till the end for my wedding and see my kid.
Rapunzel, what are you doing down there?
Just enjoying the garden, Mother.
Be careful, dear.
Oh, Pascal, you're the best. Wow, look at you go. I love all your colors. Isn't this rose beautiful, Pascal?
Repta.
Let's walk through the flowers. Fine.
Over here! I'm coming, Rapunzel!
There, all set.
Thank you, my love.
It suits you perfectly.
This is so beautiful.
Not as beautiful as you.
I love you.
I love you too.
I never thought I'd find someone like you.
Me neither!
You changed my whole world, Rapunzel.
And you changed mine. This rose is for you.
It's as beautiful as you.
Squeak.
Look how happy they are, Flynn.
Just like us, Rapunzel.
Pretty butterflies.